Good morning, students. Now, let us see the displacement reactions. In displacement reactions, we are having two kinds of displacement reaction. One is metal displacement reaction and another one is non-metal displacement reaction. First, let me explain what are displacement reactions. Generally, what is meant by displacement reaction? Here we are discussing about redox reactions. So, redox reactions in which an atom or ion, anything, in a compound, it is replaced by an atom of another element. So, one atom is replaced by another element. That is called as displacement reactions. Now, let us see in detail about this metal displacement reactions. See, while I am explaining, just listen the diagram. Just see the diagram. They have taken zinc metal strip, which is colorless. That is placed in an aqueous copper sulfate solution, which is taken in the beaker. Color of aqueous copper sulfate solution is blue. Zinc rod, that is zinc metal strip, what we are inserted, that is colorless. Okay. Now we are placing that. After that, you are observing that solution. Very slowly what happened in the sense that intensity of the blue color, that concentration of the blue color, slowly it gets reduced and it becomes colorless. Clear? See the second picture. That zinc metal strip, it becomes coated with a brownish metallic copper. So this is due to metal displacement reaction. That equation also it is must. Copper sulfate with zinc gives copper and zinc sulfate. Now is it clear, students? Here we will see the non-metal displacement. Here non-metal, hydrogen. In this case non-metal is hydrogen. So zinc displaces hydrogen from hydrochloric acid. So with this displacement reactions completed, both metal displacement as well as non-metal displacement. Now let us discuss what are auto-redox reaction. See, in some redox reactions, the same compound, it can undergo both oxidation as well as reduction. Clear? So, in same compound, there is an increase in oxidation number as well as decrease in oxidation number. See, here hydrogen peroxide, it undergoes both oxidation as well as reduction. Now, let us continue with competitive electron transfer reaction. Students, competitive electron transfer reaction. In metal displacement reaction, what we studied, zinc is displacing copper from copper sulfate solution. Now, what we are doing is, we are inserting the copper strip in zinc sulfate. See, in this picture, that's what it has been done. Clear? So, copper sulfate, they are inserting. See, that picture reaction, that is different, ma. In metal displacement, zinc is displacing the copper from copper sulfate solution, that we saw there. Whereas, reverse reaction, we are trying. That is, we are placing copper strip in colorless zinc sulfate solution. At that time, reaction doesn't take place. So what does it mean? Zinc is having more reactivity than copper. Clear? So zinc has more tendency to release the electrons and copper is having tendency to accept the electrons. See, whatever it is given in the picture, that is the reaction between copper metal and silver nitrate solution. Here what we are doing is, we are taking silver nitrate solution in a beaker which is colorless. After that, we are placing metallic strip in that silver nitrate solution. After some time, when you are seeing that solution slowly changes into blue color. So, once when it is attaining the blue color, it is due to copper ions. Okay, so what happens? Here this copper displaces the silver, whereas zinc is displacing copper. But the reverse reaction doesn't occur because copper is not having that much reactivity. But copper is ready to replace the silver. Okay. So from this reaction, we can conclude that reactivity of zinc is greater than copper, that is greater than silver. Okay, overall zinc is having more reactivity, silver is least reactive, whereas copper, it is in moderate condition. That is, it is not displaced by silver. Okay, but it is displaced by zinc. Okay, now with this displacement reactions entirely completed. Now we have come to the conclusion, that is types of redox reaction. All the types completed ma. Combination, decomposition, displacement. In displacement itself, two types, metal displacement as well as non-metal displacement. Then auto redox reaction and competitive electron transfer reaction. Thank you, students.